My name is Mike Ahyow. I'm a partner in the commercial team at RWK Goodman, specialising in media and technology. We are delighted to be supporting this year's Wildscreen Summit, in particular the Branding Nature series, which is going to be a brilliant event. We have a long-standing history at RWK Goodman of helping clients in the media and entertainment sector, particularly those based in Bristol, which is a long-standing tradition of making amazing content in the unscripted natural history genre. I'm going to be there on the day. It will be great to connect with as many of you as possible. So if you see me there, please do say hi and see you there.